Lisa, why do I need a franchise for that? I can probably start that business on my own. Hey there, for this week's 2-minute tip, I wanted to address, a question that I still get every now and then. I get it, and I think until you really dive into franchising and understand the franchisor's support of you as a franchisee, it can be easy to miss. But understand that with a franchise, you are basically given the playbook and you're given the operations manual, you're given the training, and then as the owner, it's your job to execute. It's not a silver bullet, but there's others in that system that have gone before you. There's other franchisees in the system that you can lean on for support. And you're not the first person figuring it all out. I can't think of another industry where you can call someone in the exact same business that's not your competition and say, hey, what do I do to get past this hurdle? And so with franchising, there's other owners out there who are going through that same kind of daily struggle, the daily grind to build their businesses. And in franchising, you can lean on each other and get some of those questions answered. And what do they say? All tides raise ships, right? And so I think possibly the unwritten thing about franchising is that, you might be able to do it by yourself, but it would probably cost you more money, more time, and more gray hair. So at least consider franchising as an option. I think that's kind of where the secret sauce is.
Thank you for watching. If you're ready to take the next step, Integrity Franchise Group is here to help. Click the link below or reach out to us today to schedule an appointment. Let's work together to solve that franchise puzzle and turn your business dreams into reality. We cannot wait to connect with you.